15 tricks with baking soda every woman should know. People knew about useful properties of baking soda from the times of ancient Egypt. Now we know about 300 ways of its usage, which housewives from all over the world have used for many centuries. In this video, you will learn 15 most popular of them. We are sure you all have baking soda at home, but do you use it only for baking? Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Well, this versatile and cheap tool can be used not only to relieve the symptoms of heartburn or to bake pies. If you choose the list of products that should always be at hand, baking soda would be, perhaps, the first in the list. This is a universal and widely available product. Baking soda will help you throughout the house, for personal hygiene, and also for dealing with unwanted insects, and will simply make everything much easier. Put off all those cleaners and other items purchased at the hardware store. They are so harmful for your health and pollute the environment. Start using baking soda in all corners of the house and for personal hygiene. You can use it also for cosmetic purposes. For example, for your skin and hair, for struggling with stretch marks and whitening your teeth. Look through all methods of its usage. Number 1. Natural deodorant. Stop using chemical deodorants. Number 2. Insect bites. It will ease irritation. Number 3. Heartburn. You will relieve heartburn. Number 4. Scrub. It can fight with skin imperfections like wrinkles, blackheads, and tarnished skin. Number 5. Hair. It can increase hair growth. Number 6. Stretch marks. It will reduce visible stretch marks. Number 7. Bad breath. It will help you fight this problem. Number 8. Rough skin. Put on warm socks with baking soda and forget about this unpleasant situation. Number 9. Stains. Baking soda can remove stains. Number 10. Fridge smell. It fights with unpleasant smell in your fridge. Number 11. Jewelry. It is able to return your jewelry previous shine. Number 12. Abscesses. It is useful as an abscess treatment. Number 13. Sunburn. Soothe burned skin with baking soda. Number 14. Peas and beans softener. Get peas and beans ready for cooking quicker. Number 15. White teeth. Brush your teeth and make them whiter. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.